Alright, got a Briggs Stratton Intech Series V-Twin here. This is a little bit of an earlier model, and the issue I was having is that the charging system stopped working pretty much for the most part. It just charges very weakly, and when you engage the PTO clutch right here, you engage the blades, it can't keep up, and it goes off of the battery power. So I did my testing, concluded the stator was fine. The stator was given around 30 volts AC at full throttle, which is in the spec for this Briggs engine. I tested this by putting the two leads of the multimeter, setting it to AC, and then the voltage regulator rectifier, you stick a T-pin right through here. You want to leave it connected because it needs 12 volts from the battery to activate the diodes inside. So you want to leave it connected when you're testing, but you put a T-pin right in here and you can test it that way, going from right here to ground and seeing what kind of voltage you get here as opposed to the battery. The regulator rectifier tested out fine. I also did check the battery, and the battery was good. And so what turned out to be the problem was a voltage drop somewhere in the wires between the regulator and the battery. So what I found out is that if you take a jumper cable from right here to the battery, everything charges perfectly. It holds it above 14 volts even with the clutch on, which is good. So there's a voltage drop somewhere in the wires, like I said, and it's going to be quite a bit of work trying to find out where it was. So what I did is I took a splicer here and I put in a second 14 gauge wires, which is plenty, and you can see I liquid electrical taped around it when I was done. So I spliced in there, brought it up through here, and connected it to the red wire coming out from the key switch. Then I took a second red wire, 14 gauge also, and connected it from the power source coming in from the battery. So there's also a voltage drop between here and the battery. So I wanted to give it a fresh supply that doesn't have any voltage drop. So like I said, I got another splice here, another wire coming right over here through an inline fuse and straight to the battery. Now everything's fixed. We got over 14 volts at the battery with the clutch on. So I thought I'd share that quick fix. If you have a good stator, a good voltage regulator rectifier, but you're still not getting a proper charge at the battery. Thanks for watching.